Or at compound turbos on a 3.0 Duramax diesel. Supposedly this truck has just that. Let's go ahead and take a look, see under here. There it is. All right, I do not know the details of it, but I do know of it. That is incredible. Very well done. Super sick truck. We'll go ahead and just spend some time on the exterior of it. And we're getting googly-eyed over what's in the engine bay. Absolutely amazing. Best 3.0 Duramax out there for sure. This is incredible work. Alright, what do you think? Is that wild or what? I wish the hood was popped open more, maybe a little bit better lighting. A little bit more details on it. Let's walk around and see if we can find something about it. Amazing. Take a look at the back end and then we'll swing around, get some more of that front. These bumpers are excellent. Everything about it. Everything about this truck. Absolutely amazing. Shout out to whoever put this together. Someone's creative mind on everything. Wheels. Everything about this. Flared fenders, clean, very clean, everything about this.
So everything feels fake.
All right, well, there we have it. CTS3 with some inline tuning coming out for LZ0 in the next week or so. I don't believe this is tuned with that at all. It's going to be full custom tuning, obviously, especially with the compound turbos. So I'm guessing they're just using CTS3 just for the gauge capabilities. It's so dark we can't see inside, but there it is. It had to get here, so it's functioning.